What really happens to your body when you drink baking soda water every day? Baking soda has been used for thousands of years as a natural medicine. This white powder called sodium bicarbonate is commonly used in baking and cooking nowadays, but it also has some surprisingly powerful health benefits for the body, from relieving acid reflux and supporting kidney health to boosting the immune system and so much more. Today, we'll be exploring the incredible benefits of drinking baking soda water daily and how to use it properly and safely. You will need 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. This is sodium bicarbonate, not baking powder. You'll also need 500 milliliters, which is 2 cups of cold water. Stir these together well and drink the mixture midday at least 1 hour before lunch. Benefit number 1 of drinking this is preventing acid reflux. If you feel a burning in your chest or throat after eating, you may have acid reflux. This happens when stomach acid splashes up into your food pipe, causing irritation. This isn't just about having too much acid, it often happens because your food isn't digesting properly. When food sits in your stomach too long, it puts pressure on the valve that keeps your acid down. But bicarbonates from baking soda can help by triggering the flow of bile and pancreatic enzymes which improve digestion. Essentially, these allow your foods to break down properly further down in the intestines, which takes the pressure off the stomach and prevents reflux. This is why baking soda was included in soldier ration packs during World War I and II. Benefit 2 is detoxifying the kidneys. Your kidneys work very hard every day to filter toxins and waste out of your blood, but when uric acid builds up inside, it can put extra stress on the kidneys, causing kidney stones, gout in the joints, and even high blood pressure. Consuming just a small amount of baking soda in water every day can help to bring the pH of your kidneys back to normal, making it easier for them to do their job and detoxify excess acid and toxins from the body. A study in the Journal of American Society of Nephrology found that baking soda slows kidney decline in patients with chronic kidney disease. This is why many doctors recommend baking soda to prevent gout attacks, kidney stones, and to improve kidney function. Benefit number 3 is boosting the immune system. When parts of your body become too acidic, like your intestines for example, it creates the perfect environment for harmful viruses, bacteria, and infections to thrive. Now, baking soda provides bicarbonate ions which help to maintain the balance of pH in your body. As it breaks down and digests, it releases CO2, which helps your body absorb oxygen properly. This improves white blood cell activity, allowing your immune system to fight off pathogens and infections more effectively. If you're finding this information helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn all notifications on so that I can keep you updated with the latest health and nutrition tips. Benefit 4 is improved oral health. The main reasons people suffer from tooth decay, cavities, bad breath, or gum disease is simply because they have too much bad bacteria living in their mouths, which makes the mouth acidic. Baking soda can help to destroy this harmful bacteria and freshen up your breath. Mix a small amount with your regular toothpaste and then gently brush your teeth. This can help to whiten teeth, kill the bad bacteria, and neutralize the pH of the mouth, but only do it maximum twice per week, as too much alkalinity can damage your tooth enamel. Benefit 5 is clearing urinary tract infections. Drinking baking soda water can also help to clear up UTIs in the bladder or the urinary tubes. It works by slightly raising the pH of your urine, making it harder for bad bacteria to survive. This reduces the symptoms of UTIs within just a week, alongside proper hydration. I also recommend concentrated cranberry pills for this purpose as well. 6. Reduces muscle soreness. After exercising, your muscles produce lactic acid, which causes stiffness, soreness, and muscle fatigue. But baking soda can help to neutralize excess acid, allowing your muscles to recover faster. Many athletes use baking soda to improve endurance because it helps them exercise for longer without getting tired. I recommend adding 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda with 1/4 teaspoon of Celtic salt to 16 ounces of water and drinking this 90 minutes before high intensity exercise for the very best effects. Which leads me to number 7, increasing energy. You may have noticed after using baking soda for a few days that you have higher energy levels. As I said before, when baking soda digests, it releases CO2, which helps red blood cells release more oxygen into your tissues. More oxygen means better energy production, making you feel more alert, energized, and awake throughout the day. But you should also avoid eating cereals, carbs, and sugar for breakfast, as these will have the opposite effect and crash your blood sugars. 8. Managing the symptoms of cancer. Recent studies suggest that baking soda can also slow tumor growth by creating a less acidic environment in the body. Cancer cells thrive in low oxygen, acidic conditions, but baking soda can help to increase pH, making it harder for tumors to grow. A study published in the journal Cancer Research found that sodium bicarbonate increases pH levels in tumors and reduces their ability to spread in mice. By improving oxygen delivery to the cells, essentially the baking soda made the cancer cells less aggressive. While this is definitely not a cure, some experts suggest that it may be useful to use alongside existing treatments to regulate acidity in the body. Again, always speak with your doctor before trying any new health approach. 9. Soothing irritated skin. Another way that you may want to use baking soda is by mixing it with a little water to form a paste. You can apply this to bug bites, sunburn, rashes, or skin allergies for quick relief. Baking soda balances the skin's pH, which reduces redness, itching, and swelling. For sunburn, you may also add a few tablespoons of baking soda to a cool bath to help calm down your skin and speed up healing. This very simple remedy has been used for centuries to help sore skin recover. 10. Clearing up sinus congestion. If you're feeling blocked up with mucus or you're struggling to breathe, baking soda can help to clear your sinuses naturally. Start by drinking your baking soda water in the afternoon, as I previously mentioned. Then mix another 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda into some warm distilled water with 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Use this in a neti pot or a nasal rinse to flush out bacteria and break down thick mucus, making it easier to drain. Many people also like to inhale steam with baking soda to open up the airways and ease breathing. Number 11 is helping to prevent bone loss. As we age, our bones can become weaker and more brittle, increasing the risk of osteoporosis. Antacid drugs can make this worse because they block us from absorbing minerals properly. However, using remedies like apple cider vinegar or a little baking soda instead can actually help to prevent bone loss. A study from Tufts University found that people who consumed sodium bicarbonate had lower calcium loss, suggesting that it may slow down bone thinning because it helps the body absorb and retain calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. And benefit number 12 is destroying fungus. Fungal infections thrive in warm, moist environments, making them very hard to get rid of. Baking soda actually weakens fungal cells, drawing out moisture and stopping their growth. This makes it a very useful remedy for athlete's foot, nail fungus, dandruff, and skin infections. All you need to do is mix baking soda with a little water or Vaseline and apply it to the affected area. You may also want to soak your feet in a baking soda solution to help kill foot fungus as well. A study in the Journal of Medical Mycology found that a 10 gram per litre of water baking soda solution actually inhibited 80% of the 70 different fungal strains that were tested, so it's very, very powerful. When not to use baking soda. Using just a small quantity, around 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda every day, generally doesn't have any side effects. However, if you notice certain symptoms like excessive bloating, gas, nausea, or an upset stomach, it's important to stop using it for the time being. If you also like to use apple cider vinegar remedies for stomach problems, you may continue to do so, because the acetate from the vinegar works very well with the bicarbonates from the baking soda to support complete digestion. They do not cancel each other out as some people would believe. If you have a medical condition such as heart disease, kidney disease, or you're taking any medications, always emphasize caution in using natural remedies and speak with your doctor before using them. Another excellent remedy is to use apple cider vinegar at night before you go to bed. If you'd like more information on this, watch the video that I've put on the screen now. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.